Ngihlala ebusuku ngikhumbula konke abantu engibathembile engibabiza abangani. Ngaba nginhlonipho, ngabanika isikhathi sami, kodwa bathatha konke, bashiya inhliziyo yami idiniwe. Babonana ukuthula kwami, bakabanga ngibuthakathaka, kodwa bazi umlilo ngiwufihlayo ngaphakathi. Babonula ukukulunta kuhle labo bantu bekusebenzisa kalula. Mbazi ukuthi uzovuma, mbazi ukuthi inhliziyo yakho thambile. Ngiwenze konke ngenxa yokwethemba, ngicabanga ukuthi niyangiqonda, kodwa manje sengiyabona iqiniso, bekungukuthi lazeni ukuphela. Bangidonsa kathami, bangukuthula kwami, bacabanga ukuthi angiboni, kodwa ngibona konke. Ungangiboni ngibuthakathaka, ukuthula kwami akusho ukwesaba, ngifihla ulaka ngaphansi komusa, ngoba inhliziyo yami iyahlonipha. Akulula kodwa kungaba lula uma abantu beqonda uthando, kodwa bathatha konke kimi, bashiya umoya wami udiniwe. Ukukhohlisa kufika kancane, njengesiphepho esingabonakali. Bengicabanga ukuthi bangami, kodwa bangiphendula izitha, bese bebuya nezwe lithi ngiyakholisa. Njengongathi amandla yaphela, kodwa bebazi ukuthi bayangilimaza, kodwa benza kanjalo noma kunjalo. Ungangiboni ngibuthakathaka, ukuthula kwami akusho ukwesaba, ngifihla ulaka ngaphansi komusa, ngoba inhliziyo yami iyahlonipha. Akulula kodwa kungaba lula uma abantu beqonda uthando, kodwa bathatha konke kimi, bashiya umoya wami udiniwe.
Yeah, they see a quiet man and think he's weak, but they don't know the walls that I keep inside my chest where the anger sleeps, covered by kindness buried deep. I gave them trust, they gave me lies, smiles on faces with jealous eyes. They fed their ego with my respect, then stabbed my loyalty with regret. And now they say sorry like it's enough. Like broken souls can be patched with love, but every betrayal writes a line, teaching a good heart to draw the line. Don't blame the man when he walks away. You taught the lesson, he lives today. A peaceful soul can turn to stone when kindness keeps standing alone.
Ngiyazibuza kungani abantu benjena kabathabangini ngobuhlungu abashiya ngabo. Mhlawumbe bafundisa ukuthi umusa uba nzima kubo. Thakathaka kuthula kwami ungamandla ami, ngifunde izinto zumi manje sengiyazihlonipha. Akulula kodwa sengiyafunda ukushiya izinto ezingangilimaza. Uma ngisuka empilweni yakho, ngisuka kuze kube phakade. Umhlaba ungaba, abantu bangaba nobuso buhle, kodwa izinhliziyo ezinzima. Kodwa uNkulunkulu uyabona, nabokhokho bayabona. Ngiyazi nama ngiphelele, nami ngenze amaphutha, kodwa uhamba ngihamba ngifuna ukuthula, ngoba kwesinye isikhathi ukuhamba